Ever wondered what's the secret to youthful skin and longevity? In a world time is relentless, we all seek the elixir that can slow its inevitable march. Before we dive into this fascinating topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more enlightening and educational content. Now let's discover the secret. It lies not in the fabled fountain of youth, but in the choices we make every day. Our skin, the largest organ in our body, is a mirror reflecting our inner health. It thrives on proper nutrition and hydration. Imagine sipping on a potion, brimming with essential nutrients, designed to nourish your skin from the inside out. It's not magic, but science. The key ingredients: nature's bounty in its purest form. In the upcoming minutes, we're going to explore a recipe for an anti-aging juice. A beverage so potent yet so simple, it's almost unbelievable. This isn't just a recipe, it's a lifestyle choice, a commitment to embracing wellness and longevity. Prepare to unlock the secret to ageless beauty with this simple yet effective juice recipe. What goes into this magical elixir of youth? Let's start with cranberries. These tiny, tangy berries are power-packed with antioxidants that fight off free radicals, preventing premature aging. They're also rich in vitamins A and C, promoting collagen production for firm, youthful skin. Next up, we have oranges. These citrus delights are not just refreshing, but are brimming with vitamin C, a crucial building block in collagen synthesis. They also contain bioflavonoids that protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Then we have apples. An apple a day not only keeps the doctor away, but also the wrinkles. Apples are rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants that rejuvenate your skin, giving it a youthful glow. Finally, a dash of honey. Honey is nature's moisturizer. It hydrates your skin, keeping it soft and supple. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants that slow down the aging process. Now, with these ingredients in hand, you're ready to whip up your own fountain of youth, ready to discover the path to timeless beauty. Let's dive right into the creation of our anti-aging juice. Begin by thoroughly washing your fruits. This not only removes any lingering dirt or bacteria, but also ensures we're getting the purest, cleanest flavor. Next, peel your fruits. While the skins of many fruits are nutritious, for this recipe, we're seeking the smooth texture that only peeled fruit can provide. Once peeled, move on to deseeding your fruits. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth, enjoyable juice. Then place your clean, peeled, and deseeded fruits into a blender. Now comes the fun part. Blend your fruits until they reach a smooth, juice-like consistency. You'll know it's ready when it appears creamy and there are no visible chunks left. To finish, add a bit of honey for sweetness. Not only does honey provide a natural sweetness, but it also has its own anti-aging benefits. Voila! Your anti-aging juice is ready to serve and savor. But what exactly does this vibrant juice do for your skin and longevity, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the veritable treasure trove of benefits this anti-aging drink offers. Firstly, it's a superb hydrator. The juice keeps your skin moisturized from the inside out, helping to maintain its elasticity and youthful appearance. Secondly, it's a collagen booster. The vitamins and minerals found in our magical blend stimulate collagen production, which is key to keeping your skin firm and wrinkle-free. Thirdly, this juice is a powerful warrior in the battle against free radicals. The antioxidants present in the ingredients help to fight off these damaging molecules, safeguarding your skin and overall health. And finally, consuming this juice regularly contributes to overall health and longevity. It's packed with essential nutrients that support various bodily functions, helping you to feel and look your best for longer. So there you have it, the secret to youthful skin and longevity, all in one refreshing glass of juice. Drink up and enjoy.